So let's talk about noise in an amplifier. This is my brand new tube amp. This is me monitoring the output stage, which I have a scope probe in right here on the ax84 output tube. So I have the volume and the gains turned all the way down. Let's watch what happens when I turn them up. So here is volume all the way up. There's a little bit of 60 Hz hum, not too bad. Drive 1 all the way up. Drive 2. So this is me fuddling with drive 1 now. It's got some 60 Hz noise. Is that normal? I don't know. How do I fix it? I don't know. But here's the mysterious thing. Installed a switch to switch out one of these gain stages, which I have right here. Now look at that. Gain all the way up, switch off, 2 gain stages, 1 gain stage. Amazing. Now here's the even weirder part. If I take my high knob and I move it just a hair, I get something completely different. Boop. Let's try. That's with the mids all the way down. That's me playing with the bass knob. What is going on with this tone stack? Again, it only happens when the high, the treble pot, is all the way up to the top. So I have some work to do.